This week wasn't flashy. It was just work. So all week we've been prepping. We've made sure all the nails were flush, if not inset. We filled them with the wood filler. We've sanded everything down. I mean, all the prep work leading up to the paint is really what's going to take this to the next level. So we're bringing in the cabinet and trying my hardest not to run into anything. So, trying to avoid any kind of touch-ups or any kind of repaint touch-ups. There'll be a few, but again, trying to minimize that. Finally in the room. It's good so far. I wanted this to be out, and it was going to overlap like that. Seeing the paint on the cabinet and just giving a visual of what it's going to look like is really what kind of put it into perspective.
I had that wrong.
This is when it actually starts to feel real.
Face frame, we don't want that.
All right, so we're gonna take some measurements for this countertop that we're gonna put in here. So so what I wanna do is have a little bit of an overhang. Just kind of, basically I have a face piece that comes over this, and then it'll stick up a little high. Just kind of look like a typical countertop would. All right, so the support is in for the countertop. the back first. Oh yeah. Okay. So far so good. It's in. Whew, it's in. The video, this is Sunday, and energy levels were super low. I mean, granted, we were crazy excited with how everything was looking, but this is, you know, working all week, prepping, getting everything ready for paint. I mean, just really just like mentally, it's like, no, I really don't even know, or I didn't even want to say anything to the camera. It's just, you know, let me just focus and let me build. All right, I was planning to put the wrap on the countertop. Unfortunately, it's not here yet, so we'll wait. I mean, it's a part of it, right? Sometimes things don't show up on time, but we got a heck of a lot done. But again, vinyl wrap didn't show up yet. I was trying to get that done today, but we'll just have to wait. It's close. One more push.
Ooh.